welcome to a Mike's Garage video. This time we're going to talk about putting in a pre-filter so to help make your air filter last longer. Here we are on the Rally Explorer from Triumph, the 2023 model, and let's get into it. Okay, here is my air filter out of the bike. This has been 20,000 miles or 18,500 miles, and probably the last 2,000 miles were pretty heavy off-road, so it needed to be replaced. It's in pretty bad shape. Probably could have replaced it at 10,000, maybe 15,000, something like that, but that's what it is. That's what it looks like there. Okay, so to help alleviate that, some of the work on that filter, I want to install a pre-filter. So let's take a look at how that works. Okay, so here's what I did. This is a little mesh screen that goes in the air channel port below your headlight and above the beak, right in the center, and I'll show you that here in a minute, but this little thing clips in there. And then what I did is I just took some filter foam that I bought for dirt bikes that I bought off of Amazon for, I don't know, $5. I just cut a piece out the same shape as this mesh piece, glued it on here. I glued mine on the edges so it doesn't really come off, and then I oil it like a dirt bike so that it will catch it. Now I have run couple runs on this off-road in kind of dusty conditions, and it worked really well. So I think this is going to help extend the life of your air filter. Even if you never did dusty environments, this would still help extend your air filter. And considering how difficult it is to get to that air filter and removing the tank and all that, I think this is a good little thing. So let's take a look at the air channel and how this fits in there. Okay, looking at the front of the bike, here is your intake channel, and this fits inside here. You can see there's a little clip right here that gets in there. Now, if you have big hands, this can be difficult. My little hands can kind of fit down in here. I can kind of do it, but it's even still difficult. So you'll want to, if you have big hands, hard to get in there, you might want to use a screwdriver or something like that to get in there. Okay, so there it is installed. And it covers the opening of the air duct down into the filter. So that will catch a lot of dust, and the oil helps grab the smaller particles and the dust particles, so that should help. So there you go. Anyhow, maybe I'll do an update at some point, let you know how it works next time I change my air filter and how it looks. But there you go, pre-filter installed. All right, well, thanks for watching another Mike's Garage video, and thanks again.